Okay, I'm trying to show interrupts. So when I press the button, so now it resumes its program. When I press, I'm going to trigger the change of state. Everything gets lighted up, turn off. The loop goes through. Press again the button. Let go. Yeah, okay. Press, lights up. Press, resumes. Whoop, press, resumes. Press and hold, resume, change. Still get messed up a bit. Okay, press, lights up, let go, resumes. Press, lights up. So now the state is inverse. Okay, now I've changed the state again. So I guess if I press, lights up, let go, does this. Press, lights up, let go, does this. So the state kind of, sometimes it toggles the state 1 and 0. But you can easily mess it up by pressing it really fast. Then you get the other opposite. So when I press it does the, then I could just press it a few more times. So the interrupt happens. This is the loop. So the interrupt happens when I press interrupt. Let go. Resume. Press interrupt. Let go. Resume.